This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion Journal Easy Method. Start by creating a new journal page, add a daily template, and set properties for date, mood, and tags. Use headings for morning, tasks, and reflections to structure entries. Add a linked database for habits and filter today's items. Customize with icons and colors to make the page inviting and quick to scan. Save and duplicate the template for daily use. Set up simple templates to speed journaling. Create a template with prompts for gratitude, wins, and 3 priorities. Use recurring reminders to build consistency and add a habit tracker linked to entries. Apply filters to view only today or this week's notes. Try quick capture via Notion mobile widget to jot thoughts and photos when away from your desk. Review weekly to adjust prompts and archive old pages to keep your journal focused. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that seal and stack neatly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more Notion tips. These containers keep salads, soups, and snacks fresh while you plan and journal meals. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a set if you like efficient kitchen gear. Now let's get back to the video. Use tags and linked databases to connect notes and tasks. Tag entries by topic, mood, and project to enable powerful searches and saved views. Build a weekly review page that summarizes completed tasks, ideas, and growth. Set privacy controls for sensitive entries and export sections to PDF when you need backups. Experiment with toggles and templates to find a rhythm that fits your day and workload. Start small and expand formats as your habit grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.